Happy Independence Day, children! We at BANGARU Amma Kids invite you to take this day to understand how valuable freedom is and how it is our responsibility to respect it and guard it. Manu was a naughty boy who loved playing on the streets. He would throw the ball on the glass shutters of the houses nearby and wouldn't care about causing nuisance to others. Down the street lived a good little girl named Shakthi. She warned him not to do such irritable things, but Manu never cared about her words.
It's not fair, Manu.
What's your problem, Shakthi? Get away from here.
You cannot do this. This will one day turn towards you.
This is a public place and I have all rights to play here. Don't interrupt in my freedom.
How do you say that you are free to do? You'd be charged and penalized for this.
Haha, penalized? Don't joke, Shakthi.
It seemed that pelting street animals was Manu's only hobby. Being the only son, Manu's parents always patted him on the back and encouraged him in whatever he did. They found that cute. In fact, they themselves caused nuisance to others by always throwing their garbage on the streets.
Don't you even know that these dogs have life and pain as we do?
Don't interfere with my freedom. I am born as an all-powerful human. These ants, birds and animals are brought into this world only to serve me. You know, I don't play with toys as you do. These are my real-time toys.
Suddenly, there were a lot of army men in helicopters spreading everywhere. The children stood perplexed. They couldn't understand the situation. The uniformed men cleared the streets and the army speaker shouted, "Army announcement! Stay inside the houses. Terrorists are hiding in this area. Please cooperate." An elderly neighbor took the children safely into his house. They witnessed a battleground live in front of their eyes. Gunshots fired here and there. After an hour of breathtaking incidents, the terrorists were captured. Looking at the bloodshed, the children were struck with fear and remained unmoved.
Oh, Major Jaswant uncle. You have served in the army for a very long time. I have a question. How brave are these army men? How do they bravely fight for our nation when we are so panic-stricken?
Come on, children, don't be afraid. Army men are also like you. They too have a family. They were once ordinary men like you when they enrolled in the army. They become strong through rigorous practice and training. They are not allowed to sleep when they have to. They are made to wake all through the night and undergo physical training. Their biological cycle is purposefully smashed. They are given breakfast at 2 a.m. in the morning and the dinner is served at 12 a.m. in the midnight.
Manu, did you listen to what Major Uncle said? The freedom which you always claim is not yours, but is gifted to you by these patriotic soldiers. Salute them.
Children always have the heart to share what God has given you with others. You can help your neighbors, friends, and senior citizens in whatever little ways you can. Express your gratitude to Mother Nature by watering plants and feeding the animals. As students, You can create awareness on the dangers of alcohol consumption, human trafficking, and child abuse. So, you too can become patriots by your noble deeds.
Get to watch interesting videos like this by subscribing our channel, and don't forget to like and share.